Hey guys, welcome back to online class. I hope you guys enjoyed your spring break and got outside and enjoyed some of the nice weather. I wanted to give you a little update on Google Classroom. I've changed a few things based on some information I got from your parents and me talking with other teachers. So when you log into Google Classroom, make sure you check out the stream. I may have posted something here that you need to read, so check this out first. Click over on classwork, and here's today's work. Now yours looks a little different than mine because I have access to everybody's. But you're going to do these pretty much in order. So the first thing you're going to do is Tuesday's check-in. Click the link, complete the check-in, click submit, and I'll be able to see when you've turned it in. After that, you'll go to math and click on Mission 5 Lesson 1 problem set. Read the directions. It says complete your Zern Mission 5 Lesson 1 first and only do Lesson 1 today. Your problem sets match what you're doing on here. So you'll click that link. It'll take you to Zern. Once you have completed your Zern mission, then you may do your problem sets. If you need help with a problem set or a question or anything, please feel free to message me on Dojo or write it on the stream, and I will be glad to help you with that. Once you complete that, you may go on to your reading assignment, which is Mealworm Macaroni. Anyone? This is a little different. It's going to take you to News ELA. It may ask you to sign in. If it does, make sure you click sign in with Google, and you're going to type in your same email address and password that you used to get into Google Classroom. You're going to read the article, which looks like this. Read the article, and it looks long because I've got my screen. There we go. Once you finish reading the article, you'll click activities, and you will take the quiz, and I will get what you answered and your scores. Go back to Google Classroom when you finish that. I did put links to specials. If you click on that, it tells you what our specials are each day. It'll take you to that Google Doc. And whenever you need a brain break, there's no specific time. You'll click here, and that will take you to Go Noodle, or this one will take you to the virtual field trips down at the bottom of the page. Our daily writing, as you can see everybody, or I can see everybody's. You can only see yours. But you'll click on your daily writing and read the directions. It says after reading the mealworm article, so don't do this before you read that article because your questions are based on that article. If you can, I'm not sure if it'll let you on your end, copy and paste the questions into the Google Doc. If you can't, just type 1, answer the question, type 2, answer the question, and type 3, and answer the question. So you'll click here, type 1, and answer the question. Type 2 and answer the question. Type 3 and answer the question. You do not have to share this with me because it is already shared with me, so don't click that. It'll let me know, and I will come in here and also type some feedback. When you're finished with that, you're basically done for the day. There is not social studies today. We're switching over to social studies because we are meeting this afternoon to talk about which standard we're going to do. So tomorrow there will be social studies. When you are finished with your work, Miss Leatherwood has posted some conversations for you. She has also uploaded some more chapters from Escape from Mr. Limoncello's library. Just pick up wherever you left off. Here's some extra math, multiplication facts. There's some puzzles, ABCI, Prodigy, two-step word problems. This is a really cool one, virtual manipulatives. If you are working with fractions, you can come down here to the fraction bars, and Well, it's not going to let, maybe you shouldn't use that one. I don't have Java. Let's try this one. Okay, so you can click on the fraction strips and see that 1 whole is equal to 2 halves, and so on. So those are pretty cool. There are some extra reading sources. These are some cool articles here. You've got Pebble Go, Epic, ABC Ya. Here's your virtual field trips. And anything that you want to talk to me about personally, this is a link to Miss Keller's classroom. So yeah, there's plenty of things to do here. Please try and do these things in order. The check-in, the math, the reading, and then the writing, and throw in specials and brain breaks whenever you need. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you need anything from me, please contact me on Dojo, or again, you can write on the stream over here. Just know that if you write on the stream, everybody's going to see it. I can write to you and only you can see it, but I don't know that you can just write to me. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to contact me. I can't wait to see you, and I'm planning on setting up a Zoom meeting at some point this week, so be on the lookout for that Dojo message. All right, guys.